Weekly stock market update, public version, part 2, Berkshire Hathaway. Value growth income doesn't meet my minimum criteria, however, it's also overbought, so it wouldn't be one for me. Eli Lilly, missed the boat on this one, I guess, doesn't meet my value growth income criteria, and it's overbought as well. I see that trend as easy as you do, but I tend not to like companies which are overbought, because 1 times out of 5 they will continue going up and they will rise and rise, but 4 times out of 5 I'm afraid they've peaked and dropped. I know I can read that, I can see that trend. Not for me though. Thank you. Broadcom overbought, even though it meets our value growth income. As you can see, many which meet our fundamental criteria, but if they're overbought, don't want to go in. And you might say, you're crazy, it's been overbought for ages, it just keeps going up. Yes, I'm picking out all the ones which 1 times out of 5 continue going higher. Okay, I would happily have got in here. What am I saying? If you watch my program and previous videos in Telegram, AI picked this for us anyway last year, and we had an 80% rise in it, whatever, it was 80-ish% rise in it. Don't forget LinkedIn. Have a look at part 1 of this stock market update as well. I'm going to go through the stocks in a second, and don't forget the campaign for 1 million to teach 1 million people how to invest better. So for those who haven't looked at part 1, let's go through what we went through. Went through Nvidia, went through MasterCard, all of these, Walmart, Netflix, Bank of America, Fair Isaac, Mettler Toledo, Arista, Howmet. And the reason we went through those is because they were in the top risers for the past month. Went through NASDAQ and my interpretation, FTSE 100, the S&P 500 I went through, FTSE 350 there, markets over the past year, and which styles or styles have been doing well, or factors, which factors have been doing well, which sectors, and year to date how the various markets have done, and the exchange traded funds. So do feel free to have a look at the videos that I've done on leverage, for instance. You can see a whole bunch on alpeshpatel.com/shares. They're free, you don't even need to register or anything for those. Over the past week, that's been some of the performance. I covered it in part 1 of the webinar, so do have a look at part 1 of, not the webinar, of the video. This is part 2. Okay, there you go for those. And these are the earnings coming out this week. We'll do that every week. And these evaluations, red is bad, of course, all done in part 1. So have a look at that. Thank you all very much. I'm going to leave it at that for now. Okay.